your final lecture. It's been an incredible journey exploring the world of nonverbal communication. We have explored the facial expressions, gestures, posture, personal space, eye contact, touch, and even the subtle cues of deception. Now, as we wrap up this course, I want to leave you with some final thoughts and encouragement to continue your body language journey. First and foremost, remember that body language is a constantly evolving skill. It takes time, practice, and continuous learning to truly master it. Don't get discouraged if you don't become an expert overnight. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and embrace the learning process. Keep observing the world around you. Pay attention to how people interact, how they express their emotions, and how their body language shapes their relationships. The more you observe, the more you learn. Be mindful of your own body language. Notice how you hold yourself, what your facial expressions convey, and how your gestures impact your communication. By becoming more self-aware, you can make conscious choices about how you present yourself and how you connect with others. Experiment with different nonverbal techniques. Try out the new postures, gestures, and facial expressions. See how they make you feel and how others react to it. This will help you expand your nonverbal repertoire and discover what works best for you. Most importantly, remember that body language is a powerful tool for connection, for understanding, and influence. Use it wisely and ethically to build stronger relationships, communicate even more effectively, and achieve your goals. So, here are some final words of encouragement for you all. Embrace the power of the nonverbal communication. Body language is a universal language that transcends cultural and linguistic barriers. It's a powerful tool that can help you connect with people on a deeper level, build trust, and influence the outcomes. Be authentic. Don't try to be someone you're not. Let your true self shine through in your body language. Authenticity is magnetic and will attract the right people and opportunities into your life. Have fun. Learning about body language should be enjoyable. Embrace the curiosity and wonder that comes with exploring this fascinating subject. Never stop learning. The world of nonverbal communication is vast and ever evolving. There is always more to discover. Continue to read, research, and observe. Attend the workshops, conferences, and online courses to deepen your knowledge and stay ahead of the curve. I hope and believe that this course has equipped you with the tools you need to become a more effective communicator. Just remember, you have the power to shape your interactions, influence others, and make a positive impact on the world through your nonverbal communication. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. It's been an honor to be your guide. Now go out there and speak volumes without saying a word. Thank you. Good luck.